Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Then, just like when you're in a normal photo mode, hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So as you can see right now I'm taking a burst shot. I took 18 shots, and here you can review them all and select the one that fits you best and delete other useless ones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.